Opera Wine.
I'm Sabrina Tedeschi, one of the owner of Tedeschi Winery in Valpolicella area, so in northeast of Italy. And my wine is Amarone Capital Monte Olmi, Amarone della Valpolicella Classico.
3 words to describe your wine.
My wine is produced with the traditional vinification methods, so we dry grapes for months for enrich the structure of our wines. It's a full body wines, very fruity taste, and is a wine for aging long.
How do you make people fall in love with your wine?
I try to talk about my family business, so my history, my tradition, my land, and the pairing with the foods. So I try to speak about Italy, and we try to smile.